English Anyone, Lesson 9, Possessives. Hello, listen and watch. This is a banana. This is my banana. Is this your banana? No, it isn't. It's my banana. My banana. Is this his banana? No, it isn't. It's my banana. Is this her banana? No, it isn't. It's my banana. Is this its banana? No, it isn't. It's my banana. Is this our banana? No, it isn't. It's my banana. Is this their banana? No, it isn't. It's my banana. This is my beard. This beard is mine. This is my mustache. This mustache is mine. These are my sideburns. These sideburns are mine. These are my eyebrows. These eyebrows are mine. This is his hat. This hat is his. This is her wig. This wig is hers. I am Drew. I'm Drew. This is my shirt. This is Drew's shirt. Goodbye. I, my, mine. You, your, yours. He, his, his. She, her, hers. It, its. We, our, ours. They, their, theirs. Drew, Drew's, Drew's. For more great tips and videos, and to get fluent in English faster with our free email video course, visit us at EnglishAnyone.com.